Is this a goo drop? Because it doesn't drop anything. Welcome to Riri's room.
You ready to get her out?
Yeah. She's ready to get out. She has a donut little thing. This is like a heart.
Yeah, it is.
That's cool. This is me.
So take out this first. That's going to be her smoothie drink.
Yeah. And she has something inside.
And I think this is her passport, right?
Yeah, the passport.
Her passport to be on Earth?
Yeah. Ruin them. Oh, she has a little thing.
Oh yeah, and these things are for the smoothie, right?
Yeah, the smoothie. And what should I
Pull her out.
Pull her out?
Yeah, try to pull her out. Oof. She was stuck in there. She's a cutie.
She's pink.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Oh, they're meeting for the first time. They're definitely friends, right?
Yeah. Squishing.
Let's see. Whoa, she's squishy for sure.
And she's too. She's not like hard.
Yeah, she's a little hard because she's new, so we've been squishing her a lot, see? But this one's new, so she's a little tougher, huh? Yeah, she's a little tougher.
And that one.
Are you ready to make your smoothie drink?
Yay.
And she has her own smoothie drink, huh? You should go find that one. I think you left it in your room, maybe?
Yeah.
You found it!
It was in my room.
Oh.
Now she has her own.
She has her own smoothie. Look, this is the smoothie we made for her. And now we're going to make the smoothie for who?
For DoughNa.
DoughNa. Is that her name?
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's see what her name is. Her first name is Astra. Her last name is Nommy. Astra Nommy. But we can call her DoughNa if you want.
Yay!
Yeah.
And she's so bright.
Yeah, she's so bright.
She's like, hi.
So where are the instructions to make this her little smoothie?
So she loves the
Oh, here it is. So it's called a DIY Galactic Slime Activity.
Oh, that's cool. Like a DIY
Yeah,
slime.
it's DIY slime, your favorite. Let's see. First, we have to add slime crystals, which are these, to that.
Whoa. So I have to open this one so I can.
Oh, whoa, there's other things in there.
That's Puppy.
It's Poppy, huh? Can you
Yeah.
hold the cup still? What color is that?
Pink.
Pink. I wonder if it's going to be a pink smoothie. We have to add water to the line and let it sit for 15 minutes. We're going to have a timer.
Yep.
All right, let's add the water.
Don't drink it yet.
So you got to stir it
Where?
with that straw.
The straw?
Yeah, you can take it out of there. Got to stir it.
Slow. Because it's a little cup.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to stir it fast because it's not a big cup. It's like smoothie.
I think she's getting hungry. Hey, girl.
Hey.
I have an Easter egg. Did you get an Easter egg?
Yeah?
Ooh, yours is pink. This one's mine. Mine is, well, it's kind of like white with a bunch of bunnies on it.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you want to...
Mine is with a heart and
Flowers, huh?
flowers.
Very cute. Do you want to try to open ours? I'll open mine first.
Okay.
See what mine has. Ooh, look what I got, DoughNa. I got a smoothie, a galactic smoothie. And it tastes great.
Yeah.
What did you get?
Let me see. I think I got some. I don't know. What's a...
Oh no! What happened?
I don't know.
DoughNa, we gotta find where your Easter treat went. Let's find out. Come on.
Okay. Is it here?
It looks like it's not here. Let's keep looking. it here?
No.
It's not here either. Yep, let's keep looking.
Go upstairs.
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
What are you guys looking for?
For my treat.
Your treat. Oh, your Easter egg treat?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not here.
Oh.
Hey, Panda Bear. Have you seen her Easter treat? Nope. Aw, man.
Oh, man.
I'm sorry, DoughNa. We can't seem to find it anywhere. Are you sure you didn't leave it on your spaceship?
I got a good idea. It's on the table.
Let's go look.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta put the sprinkles.
Does she have some glitteries?
Whoa, okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
There it is. Wow.
Is this a goo drop? Because it doesn't drop anything.
It's called a goo drop because they're squishy and stuff.
Oh.
They're squishy and jiggly. Jiggly goo drops. Ooh, she's got pink stars in her, huh?
Let me see. What? I can't see. What is that?
What is that? What has she got in her? She's got a bunch of different stuff.
No, she has something on her butt. Thank you for watching, kids. Like this video. See you later. Bye. DoughNa, DoughNa, DoughNa.
Dance party. Dance party.
What's it?
What? Oh, who spilled all this glitter?
I think it's from my drink.
Oh, I think so too. I like your drink. It's nice and sparkly.
Yeah, not yours.
Yeah, I've drank some of mine already. That's why yours is more full.
Yeah.